Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Today I'm coming on to share a paper crafting challenge entry that I received for the Anything Goes paper crafting challenge that I have going on right now. I believe this is entry number 4, and this is from Patricia over at Anchored in Crafting. I will be sure to link her YouTube channel down below. Patricia, thank you so much for joining in. I am super excited. The only thing I've done is sliced open the package, so let's dig in. It's beautifully packaged in this super cute pink bubble wrap and has this cute bow. So let's take a look. Look at how cute this is. Okay, so she has made, this is like a, it's like a little bag. Look at the details on that. Stitching, it has acetate on the front. Oh, it's so super cute. It's like a beachy theme. How fun is that? I'm just gonna set this aside real quick. So we also have this summer fun envelope. Look at that, more stitching. This is adorable. She sent me a little note right here. Sunny days are here. Trisha, thank you so much for that sweet note. So let's dig in on this. She said that she did share the link of the tutorial of how she made this in her video. This is so cute. And oh, okay, so these are it looks like little pre-made cards and envelopes. These are so fun and so convenient. I love that they have double-sided paper, and of course it's summer, so that's wonderful. This cute flamingo. Oh, I love the inside of that. This is really great summer paper. If you don't know, I live in Arizona, so it's summer here every day of the year. Cute barbecue paper, and then on this side we have more. So cute. I love that they come with envelopes and they're just so fun. Super cute. Thank you so much for this beautiful handmade project. This is such a great idea because this is something that I can just instantly reuse. So thank you for this. This is beautiful. I love this paper. I'm definitely going to look up this tutorial and make something like this. I have a sewing machine, but I'm definitely not this good at it. Now we have this beautiful acetate little box, and it just opens like this. And let's see, I'm going to take the acetate off of everything just because I know that it does a really bad glare on the camera. But wow, acetate lids, these are so hard to make, and the details in making this, I can't even imagine. Oh my gosh, these are like little handmade boxes and they're just full of goodies. Look at how cute that is with the tassels. Look at how cute this is. I love that strawberry. These are so cute, perfect for summer. These will definitely be going in some of my junk journaling. Look at that beautiful rose, and I don't care that my junk journals are huge and thick, so I don't mind these 3D pieces. These are amazing, wonderfully created. Patricia, thank you so much. Those are just beautiful. And then, oh my goodness, look at this bag of goodies. We have these super yummy looking ice cream erasers. These are so cute. These are so fun. Oh, these are little ice creams. That is cute. Those are like little ice pops. So fun. And then in here we have these beads, some buttons, just pom-poms, just a whole box full of yummy goodiness. Thank you so much for sharing your supplies with me. These are so cute. I will definitely be using them in some of my projects. And here we have some bows. I love bows. I actually have a full drawer where I keep all of my bows. And look at this. I'm assuming you made this. That's amazing. I have not tried to make my own tulle bows yet, but these are so cute. I should definitely try. And then these super cute pastel colored bows. Thank you so much for sharing those with me. And another box of goodies. We have some bottle tops. Oh, these are so cute. Did you make those? Wow, beautiful. And she shared a sequins mix with me. How summer fun is that? So cute. And then some handmade embellishments. These are so fun. I love the travel. I do a lot of traveling. Oh, these are just, this project is amazing. Patricia, thank you so much for all of your amazing paper crafting work. These are beautiful, and I appreciate you entering my challenge so much. Now, I also know that you did post a VR, so I want to make sure that I give you your 2 entries into the challenge. Alrighty, there we go. And Patricia, your 2 entries are joining the other ones in my giant glass vase. They're going right in there. And there we go. All right, guys, there's still time to enter my challenge. And I hope you guys all have a great day. Take care, guys. Bye.